In this video, I want to show you this crazy strategy that I've been using to make $2.99 sales every couple of seconds or every couple of minutes or so, using this insane viral Instagram strategy to get shouted out on pages with hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers. And take a look here on the screen. So I've got 152 sales selling this exact IDPLR product that I downloaded for free. You have the license to use it as your own, and I've made $458 in total. So we're actually going to get straight into it. The first platform that we're going to go and visit is called idplr.com. Let me just come back to the home website quickly to show you. So this is a website where you can go and download over 12,590 different PLR products. That being, take a look here, ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, music, you name it. You can go download it, claim it as your own, as you have the rights to do that. Now there is a free membership area for those of you that don't have a paid membership. If you do sign up an account, you will get 2 free premium downloads. But the exact product that I've been doing is, all you need to do is go on idplr.com over here, search TikTok, click on enter over here, just wait for this to load, and you'll see, if I scroll down a little bit, there's these 2 ebooks over here. So there's this TikTok marketing ebook and there's this TikTok marketing video upgrade. So what I've been doing is, all I've been using is this TikTok marketing ebook. So take a look at this. I click on this over here. It's then going to open this in a new tab. All you do is click on download, and it takes about 300 megs to download, so it shouldn't take that long. And once that's downloaded to your PC, you need to come over to this website over here called Gumroad.com. So here we can go and sell digital products completely for free. We can sign up an account for free. We don't need to pay any membership. All you do is create your account, and you can actually start selling digital products such as a ebook or such as a video course for any price that you like. All this website does is it takes a small fee, and that's how it makes it money, instead of having to pay these annoying memberships every single month. So all you do is, when you've signed up your account, you're going to click on products over here, which is going to take you to this tab over here. Then you're going to click on new product over here. You're going to choose a classic product, start selling today. The name of the product, we're going to go TikTok marketing, and our price, we can go $2.99, because that's how we're going to make $2.99 over and over again. So what's nice is there's no expense on this. This $2.99 is our profit because we downloaded this ebook for free. So all the profit we make on this is ours. Then all we're going to do is we're going to click on next or customize, which is going to take us to this page. We can actually change the name of this to make money on TikTok. We can close that. For the description of our product, we can come back here to the TikTok marketing ebook, and we can basically copy this entire description, use it as our own. Again, we have the license to, this is a license free or a copyright free product to go and use. Then we're going to come back to this page. We can paste our description over here. And then for the cover, which is the picture of a landing page, you can actually just save this picture over here. So you go right click on this picture, go open a new tab. You can save this on your PC, come back here, click on choose files. We can then upload this cover as the cover of our landing page. So just waiting for this to load. Take a look here, and there we go. That's what this landing page is looking like so far, which is looking pretty good. And then for the call to action, we can click on buy this. For the summary, we can leave that as is. For any additional details, we can leave that out. For the content, we're going to upload the file. So we're going to upload that zip folder that we've downloaded off IDPLR. So all you do is you just click on choose computer. And once you've uploaded your ebook, it's going to appear over here, and this is the ebook that's going to download on your client's PC when they buy this product for $2.99. And all you got to do is scroll down. You don't need to worry about creating a unique license key or any stamps or anything like that. Any settings, you can leave that. You don't want to limit sales. You don't want to allow customers to choose quantity, or you could enable that if you want to. If they want to buy 2 or 3 copies, they can do that. All you do is click on save changes over here, click on publish, and then all you're going to do is copy URL and take a look at this. If I paste this in a new tab, it is my landing page, so people can now buy this for $2.99. Now that we've got our landing page ready to go and make $2.99 over and over again, I actually want to show you something that I made for Instagram. Take a look at this page over here. So I made this swipe up story for Instagram that says make an extra $50 per day on TikTok, as this ebook teaches you how to monetize TikTok, how to make money through affiliate marketing, sales, merch, etc., and to build a business on TikTok. That's what this ebook's all about. So that's why I'm advertising this as make extra money online on TikTok. And then I've got a little thing here that says swipe up. And then when people swipe up on that story, it's going to take them to this landing page where they can go and buy this product for $2.99. And what we need to go and do is we can come over to this website over here called influencercart.com, which is a website where you can go and buy shoutouts from the biggest Instagram pages on Instagram with the best engagement. However, I'm going to show you a free strategy with this as well. So before I get into Influencer Cart, you can come over to Instagram, and I suggest creating like a TikTok compilation or theme page, such as this one over here. They basically, all they do is, you can see they create like a before and after, or like a trio, solo, left or right, girl or boy, and all they do is they scroll through the TikTok homepage, download a couple of videos, make these kind of like compilation videos, and post them on Instagram with like a TikTok compilation page. Use right hashtags, and what you can do is you can go and build a page. You'll see these guys have 372 posts. They've been posting for a while. These guys, 14 posts, already 1,588 followers, getting a decent amount of views and likes. These guys have been posting 456 posts already, so they've been posting for quite some time, already got to 103,000 followers, doing the exact same thing. You can see all they're doing is reposting the same content and then crediting each other as well. This page over here, 4,000 posts. They've been posting for a couple of years. They've now grown to 1 million followers. And they as well, just posting compilations. And what you can go and do is you can go and build an Instagram page around this. You'll see these guys have a YouTube channel where they're obviously monetizing their channel. You can actually have your link to your ebook where you can go get a ton of sales doing that. This page as well, 524K, just posting these random compilations that they are finding on the TikTok homepage or the For You page. And here's TikTok Trends itself, which is like a TikTok Trends verified page. Exact same thing, posting these compilations of some of the best TikToks. But what you can do is, if you want to get a boost, get some ideas from these guys, build like a TikTok compilation page, and you can actually come over to these guys over here and you can go and buy shoutouts from these guys. So what you can go and do is, since they're more into entertainment, can take a look at the categories over here. Let's choose humor and memes, as that's what I suggest, the best niche or category that fits us. So take a look at this. We can go, for example, let's go choose daily memes over here. So let's click on their page. What we want to do is we want to copy their username. We actually want to come over to Instagram and we want to paste that in the search bar. And we want to click on their page and we want to go and have a look at their engagement. So take a look at this, 276k followers, 3,000 likes, 1,000 likes, 2,000 likes. The engagement's not bad. I would say it could be better, but remember, story views also get a lot more views than likes and engagement than a post. So they should be getting anywhere between, I would say, 5 and 20,000 likes per post. So they are a little bit under average. Anything about 10% engagement or up, according to follow to like ratio, is really good. Anything less could be improved. So they aren't bad. This is definitely a page we can go and use. We can also go back here to Influencer Cart. Choose another example. Let's use, just waiting for this to load. Let's use this one over here called Fact Swap. So again, we just want to copy their username, go take a look at their engagement, and these are a page we can go and consider for doing a shout out. So let's go and paste this here. Let's click on their page and let's take a look. 227k followers, 4,000 likes, 6,000 likes, 9,000 likes, 5,000 likes. I'd say the engagement is very good. So this is a page we can go and post a story like this, just like this, make an extra $50 per day on TikTok. Or what I suggest is go and DM these TikTok pages, because obviously the audience following these pages are interested in TikTok. So you can go and DM these pages, ask them for a story shout out. They will probably charge about $20 to $40 depending on the engagement. You can run 1 or 2 or even 3 shoutouts at the same time, or you can run a shout out to your Instagram page if you want to grow an Instagram page. But if you want to do this long term and set up a long term income from this, I definitely think take the route of building your own TikTok theme Instagram page, and you can go and sell your own TikTok ebook and monetize your page through that. So that was my quick strategy on how to make some quick money on TikTok. Literally a couple of $299 sales. You can get to a point where you're making this every couple of seconds or every couple of minutes or so, because you're building such a big audience. You've got so many people clicking on your link in your bio, so many story swipe ups from all these shout outs. You can actually grow really fast like this by using the TikTok hype. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above, I will leave a link to this video where I teach you how to make money following people on Instagram, which will really help out with this strategy. So not only you can get paid through the ebook, you can also get paid through this method of following people. There's quite a bit of a storm outside, so you can probably hear the wind, but definitely go click on this video if you haven't seen it yet. But without further ado, take care and I'll see you there.